We all like a couple of extra zeros in our bank account. Me too. But here's the irony. The zero that really matters isn't in the account at all. It's being no thing, no lack, no fear, no separation, playfulness. That's the abundance, that's the truth that knows no lack. So if you wish to have money flow generously like energy, like a nice, deep, full, free breath, then we must take responsibility for the programs we have accepted and look honestly at our identity and relationship to money. So do you own money, or does money own you? Not just in the sense of bills or debts, but think about how much power we've given it. Power to swing our moods and change our behaviors, to lift us up one moment and drag us down the next. Our pride when it grows, our fears of losing it, our sense of worth tied to numbers on a screen. This is about the identity and the meaning we've attached to money. And taking responsibility for that is the first step to freedom. If money could speak, what would it say about you? Would it say, I serve you, or you serve me? So let's be clear. Ho'oponopono is not about cleaning to get more money. Because the moment you clean to get, the moment you clean to want, that's lack. You've already decided that you don't have enough. And that's the trickery of the mind, of the ego. Because that neediness is the very data and memory that blocks the flow. Money isn't just paper, coins, or numbers on a screen. It's an identity, a whole bundle of memories, of emotions, projections, and meanings we've placed on it. Wars have been fought over it. Families have split over it. Lives have been lost over it. So when we clean on money, we're not just cleaning the number or cleaning what we want. We're cleaning the layers of data and meaning we've attached to it. Money, like energy itself, is neutral. And like everything in our outer world, it shows you your beliefs about your worth, your safety, freedom, control, and possibility. So if you see money as scarce, untrustworthy, hard to get, as a source of conflict, even greed, you're looking at unconscious memories replaying. So let's clean together. Let's make this really practical. I'll speak the phrases, and you can silently join in or just say them out loud. And each time, we'll take a slow breath in, and as you breathe out, imagine the thought, the sensations, the emotion, and the memory dissolving back into nothing, into peace. A thought, a belief. I'm anxious because my bills are due. Take a deep breath in and relax. I take 100% responsibility for this anxiety about my bills. I'm sorry for the memory that says money must be a source of fear. I'm not this fearful thought. Thank you for showing me so I can release it. Thank you. I love you. Now breathe it out. Let it go. Next thought. Money makes me free. Breathe in. Acknowledge the sensations in your body. Relax as you breathe out. I'm sorry for believing my freedom depends on money. This belief is not who I am. Please forgive me for my unawareness. Thank you for showing me where I forgot who I am. I love you. Now breathe out, relax, and let it go. Next thought, belief and memory. Rich people are greedy. Take a deep breath in, relax. I'm sorry for whatever is going on in me that is not me, that makes me identify with this thought. Please forgive me for my unawareness. Thank you for showing me where I have separated myself from others. I love you. Now, as you breathe out, release this feeling of separation. and let the peace return. Next memory, I'm ashamed to receive help. Big breath in, relax. I take responsibility for this belief that there is something wrong with me. This belief is not who I am. I'm sorry for the memory that says receiving makes me weak. Thank you for this opportunity to be clear, to be free. I can let you go. I love you. Now, breathe out, relax, and open to receive freely. Next thought, memory, belief, sensation. I need more to feel safe. I'm sorry for the belief that safety lives outside of me. Thank you for bringing it to light so that I can let it go. I love you. Thank you. Now, let yourself relax into this moment. Next thought. I'm proud because I earned it all myself. Take a deep breath in. Relax. I'm sorry for the identity that says my worth depends on my work. Thank you for showing me this attachment. I love you. Breathe out. Soften into the worth that doesn't need proof. Next thought. I'll never have enough. I'm sorry for holding scarcity as my reality. Please forgive me for this unconscious thought. Thank you for showing me so that I can release. Breathe out, relax. Next memory, thought, belief, sensation. Maybe a tightness in your chest. If I have too much, people will resent me. I'm sorry for the memory that says abundance makes me unsafe. Please forgive me for this thought. It's not who I am. Thank you for showing me where I still believe I must hide. I love you. Now let the fear dissolve as you breathe out. Next memory, money is hard to get. I'm sorry for the memory that says life must be a struggle. It must be suffering. Thank you for showing me a better way. I love you. Thank you. Next memory and thought. I cannot trust myself with money. I take 100% responsibility for this belief. I'm sorry for doubting my God-given ability to care for what I'm given. Thank you for showing me this. Thank you for this opportunity so I can let go. I love you and I allow myself to feel the trust. Next thought and memory. I have to work harder than everyone else to deserve it. Take a deep breath in. I'm sorry for the belief that my value depends on hustling, grinding, competing, comparing. Thank you for this opportunity to let go. Please forgive me for that version of myself. I love you. Next memory. I'll never be debt-free. Take a deep breath in. Let yourself relax into the moment. I'm sorry for holding this prison in my mind. Please forgive me for my unawareness. Thank you for letting me see the prison bars so that I can open the door. I love you. Now let yourself relax again into this moment. Next thought, memory, and belief and sensation. I'm only valuable when I'm earning. Take a deep breath in. Let it go. I'm sorry for forgetting that my value is already whole. My value is established by God. Thank you. I love you. Now breathe out. Let yourself feel whole. Next memory. I'm scared I'll lose what I have. I'm sorry for believing loss is possible. Loss can take away who I am. Please forgive me for this thought. Thank you for showing me another way, another opportunity to let go. I love you. Next belief. Markets are manipulated. Money is corrupted. Greed feels dangerous. Take a deep breath in. Let it go. Relax. I'm sorry for the memories of manipulation and corruption tied to money. Thank you for showing me how unsafe it can feel when I believe this thought and this memory. Thank you for this opportunity. Please forgive me for that version of myself that believes in manipulation. I love you. Now let yourself return to trust. Next memory. Money means survival for my body. Without it, I'm not safe. I'm sorry for the identity that ties my existence to the body and to survival through money. Thank you for showing me this root fear so I can release it. I love you. Now, remember, you're more than just a body. You're a child of God. Next memory. I've made money into an idol. I'm sorry for placing money on the altar of my identity, as if it could define me. Thank you for showing me this illusion so I can let it go. Please forgive me for my unconscious identification with money as the source of my freedom. I love you. Now relax, trust, flow. Next thought, memory, belief, emotion. Time is money. Take a deep breath in. Relax. Exhale. I take 100% responsibility for this belief. I'm sorry for this memory that ties my worth to productivity that is not me, that is creating this pressure, this emotion in me. Thank you for showing me so I can let it go. I love you. Now affirm, I'm abundant. Next thought, memory, emotion. If I have money, people will love me. If I don't, they'll leave me. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, relax. I take 100% responsibility for this belief. I'm sorry for this illusion that my lovability depends on money. That is not me. Please forgive me for that unconscious identity. Thank you for revealing it so I can let it go. I love you. Next thought, memory, and belief. Spiritual people shouldn't want money. I take 100% responsibility for this belief. I'm sorry for this judgment that divides spirit and form. That is not me. Thank you for showing me so I can release it. I love you. Now breathe out. I'm spirit, I'm a child of God, and I cannot lack. Next thought. My family always struggled with money, so I will too. I take 100% responsibility for this generational program. I'm sorry for carrying this inherited memory that is not me. Thank you for showing me so I can clean. Please forgive me for my unforgiveness. I love you. Now breathe out. Affirm, I'm already free. So notice how with each one, with each thought, each breath, each sensation, you take a breath in, you meet it with love, and you breathe out and you relax. And that's the point of cleaning, to keep coming back to zero, to lift your identification off of thoughts, of memories, of beliefs. And here's the thing, this isn't a one-time money detox. It's actually an identity detox. We clean consistently and persistently, not because the problem is out there, but because we're really speaking to the inner child, that part of us which is like a supercomputer shaping our life experience. This child learned fear around money a long time ago, and it needs to know it's okay now. We can clean, we can come back to zero. The conscious mind, the mother, initiates the cleaning and shows the way. And when you do it enough, the inner child will say, this is important, and it will do it for you automatically. So at zero, there's no push, no pull, no need to grab or protect. You're nothing. You're no thing. You're not a label, you're not a color, not an identity, and that is freedom. From zero, giving and receiving are natural. Freely give, freely receive. And in that space, money, like energy, can flow. So keep cleaning, not to get more, but to remember you're already more than enough, a child of God. And if you'd like to have a guided meditation on this, please type in meditation in the comments. Till the next time, my friends, please be well, and I love you.